I will show how to make things glow in Blender. I'll use this simple cube to keep things simple. You can use it on any object you want. Now head to Shading tab. You should see a principled BSDF by default. If you don't see it, click on this Use Nodes and then click on Emission. If you turn up the strength, you can see some lighting up here, but this is just to show you that the emission strength is turned up. It doesn't actually make the object glow. To actually see the glow effect that this emission mode creates, you have to head to Composting tab and then click on Use Nodes. Here press Shift plus A and then search for glare node. Plug it in between. Now if you head to Shading tab, there is no noticeable change happening. That's because we haven't turned on the compositor. The effects you changed on the compositor has to be turned on here to be visible. You can see the glow effect now, but this isn't the regular type of glow. So let's switch it to blue. In compositing, instead of streaks, switch it to blue. If you see, this should be similar to the regular type of glowing. Turn down the strength. To see this more clearly, turn off the default HDRI by clicking on this arrow. In short, what you have to do is first turn on the strength here and then go to Composting tab and add a glare node in between, and then go back to Shading tab and then turn on the compositing. Set the compositor as always, but if your PC is struggling, you can set it to camera. Then it will turn it on, but it will be visible if you go to the camera perspective by pressing 0 on number pad. There are multiple types of glare in Blender. You can easily preview them by heading to Composting tab and then go to this corner and drag this to split the window. Click on this and change this to 3D viewport. And upon this menu, if you scroll and then click on this viewport shading, you can preview this here. Again, you will have to turn on the compositor here as well. Now you can check out the different types of glass. This tint will change the color of the emitted light. This will change the color of the glowing object's color will be changed if you change this. So you can have the object be in different color but the light in another color.